Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Back in the kitchen again. Guys, I'm here cooking some Jamaican stew beef. Guys, come along and let's make some Jamaican stew beef. Yes guys, here's my beef. I wash it off in some vinegar and some lemon water. Make it soak for 10 minutes because I never like how it smells. It is so raw. So this is what it looks so far when I did that. And what I'm going to use and season it up now, this is a beef bouillon. I just want to use one. I'm going to use some Larry seasoning. I'm going to use some garlic, ginger, and pimento. I'm going to use some onion powder. I'm going to use some dry basil. I'm going to use some dry oregano. Some browning. Yes guys, this is all my seasoning that I'm going to use. I'm going to use one onion. I'm going to use my scallion, half a sweet pepper. I'm going to use some thyme, my ginger, some scotch bonnet pepper and carrot and some garlic. So I'm going to cut up all of this and get back to you guys. Yes guys, what I'm gonna do is to just rub up my beef, which is my stew. It looks like it go on a little bit more browning, so I just put a little more Larry seasoning in there. And I don't put no salt in there because anytime I use Larry seasoning salt, I don't put no salt in the pot because this have a whole heap of salt. And plus the other rest of seasoning I put in there, yeah, them having salt. So and your food, the food not taste fresh. Tastes good same way. Tastes way better now. This is my pot. Just gonna pour my oil in there now. That's it. I'm not gonna put any more oil in there. Just gonna let this well hot before I put in my beef. Yeah. As you can see guys, my pot well hot. I'm just gonna put everything in the pot. This is half an hour later, so I'm not going to tell you how long I'm going to let it cook for because I don't know how tough the beef is, so I'm just going to bring you along all the way and tell you how long it cooks for when it gets soft, okay? Alright. Guys, this is about 1 hour and 15 minutes now since this stew is on the fire. I'm going to show you if it cook or not. See there? It's not too bad. I'm gonna cut another piece. See? I cut it easily. Yeah, but I make it cook look more. I make it cook for about half an hour more, and then I show you what is next. What I'm gonna do next. Okay, this is my stew. What I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna show you how the meat cook right now. Look at this. It is so soft. Yeah. See how I cut it? It is so soft. See that? Yeah. Let's get a little taste. Yeah. Tastes good so far. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna put one tin of butter bean in there. I'm just gonna leave this and make this cook for the next 15 minutes. I'm not gonna put any ketchup in there. As you can see so far, the gravy, it is so rich, and I did not put any ketchup in there. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna let it just simmer down, and then I'll show you the after look. Okay guys? Just for 15 more minutes. This is how it looks, guys. I did not put any ketchup in there. And the gravy, it is so rich. Yeah, but if you want, you can definitely put your ketchup in there, but I don't think I need any ketchup. That's why I don't put any ketchup in there. Guys, this is the finished look of my Jamaican stew beef, and this stew beef have no ketchup, and the gravy is rich and thick same way. And yeah, I had a butter bean. You don't have to add it, you know, I just add it because you know, I just need a butter bean in there. So guys, if you make it this far, yes guys, this is what I'm having with my stew beef. Some raw veg and piece of, here I have piece of roast chicken, avocado, some rice and peas, and some fried plantain. Enjoy.